Hi friends, welcome to Shreya's cooking channel. Today let's make chicken kebab. For this we need 500 grams chicken. To marinate we need 3 teaspoons chili powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons yogurt, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, few drops of red food color, salt and oil to fry. Add some salt to the chicken. Since I've cut the chicken into big pieces, I'm going to cook this for 4 to 5 minutes. Cover the pan while cooking. Now let's mix all the ingredients to marinate the chicken. If you cut the chicken into small pieces, you can marinate without cooking. Food color, salt. Let's mix all the ingredients. If you want it to be spicy, you can add more chili powder. I cooked the chicken for 4 minutes. Drain all the water before adding to the masala. Let's marinate the chicken for 2 to 3 hours. I marinated the chicken for 3 hours. Let's fry them now. Oil should be very hot to fry the chicken. This is ready to add the chicken now. Once the color slightly changes, reduce the flame and cook till it's done. Make sure the chicken is well cooked all the sides. It's always good to marinate the chicken for 3 hours or more. Chicken is cooked well. We can remove from the oil now. This is a very tasty recipe. Try this and post your comments. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel.